So it's December 31st, 2019 today, and I was sitting around thinking to myself, I said, Self, what are some things that you can do to make 2020 different and better than 2019? And it hit me like a ton of bricks. Myself said, dude, if you want 2020 to be better and different than 2019, then you're going to have to be better and different in 2020 than you were in 2019. So I made a list of things that I need to work on in my life to improve my 2020. And I hope if you decided to click on this video that you will get value from this list of improvements that I plan on making in my life. Here we go. The first thing I decided I need to do differently in 2020 than in 2019 is I need to decide exactly what I want. And I also need to decide exactly what I don't want. Knowing what you want gives you clarity. Clarity is the opposite of confusion. Confusion is what leads to procrastination. And in 2020, I've decided that procrastination is my enemy. I've decided that I need to start a nightly routine. I need to know and write down at night what I plan on doing and getting done the next day, so that when I wake up the next day, I'm clear on what I need to do, as opposed to just waking up and going through my day without any clear direction. The second thing I've decided that I need to improve about myself in 2020 is I need to redefine success. I need to redefine what I believe success is. I need to redefine what I call happiness. I need to redefine what I call a problem. In other words, I need to develop the ability to see a problem as an opportunity. I need to work on my ability to see happiness in what I'm going through, as opposed to looking for what I'm going through to make me happy. I might just need to stop focusing on the success that I believe I don't have and start focusing more on the success that I believe I do have. A lot of the times we only see what we focus on. Third thing I've decided I need to do is write down my goals and keep them in front of me. Not like that. You know, for me, writing things down has always been a way of programming, stamping things into my mind. If I make a habit of writing my goals down constantly and keeping them in front of me constantly, meaning if I write a copy of my goals and I keep them in my back pocket and I read them every day and then I lose the copy, I need to rewrite them. Because every time I rewrite my goals, I'm forcing my mind to think about my goals. And this is what keeps my mind subconsciously focused on what I wanted to focus on. Writing things down is how you plant the seeds in your mind. And you'll find that once you've programmed your mind with what you want it to think, it'll be easier to know what to do in times of confusion. Another thing that I'm going to work on in 2020 is I'm going to get some routine in my life. As I already mentioned, I'm going to start working off of a list more so that I know what I'm doing more so on a day-to-day, week-to-week, and a month-to-month basis. I've already started working on eliminating some of my bad habits because I realize my bad habits are a drag on my future success. Another thing that I'm going to work on in 2020 is remembering that the goal is not to necessarily meet my goals. The goal in life is to get stronger. At the end of 2020, the goal is to be able to look back and see improvement in myself. So if I go to evaluate myself 3 months after I begin pursuing a goal and it doesn't appear that I'm on track, I'm not going to let that faze me. I'm going to understand that if I keep pushing towards the goal, I will get stronger, and that is the real goal. The last thing on my list of things that I'm really going to work on within myself and about myself in 2020 is I'm going to work on remembering that I can have whatever I want. You can have whatever you want as long as you focus on it. That's me focusing on you hitting the like button. In 2020, I'm going to work on remembering that one man, one individual on fire and excited about his goals is more powerful than a dozen that are not. I'm going to work on remembering that life is about energy and what I think matters. And my mind, our minds as humans are designed to get us what we want in life. But the key is we have to tell our minds. We have to make sure that our minds know what we want in our life. It's December 31st, 2019 today. It's Maurice Bay, the Helpful Trucker. I hope y'all got value from that list. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. And coming from the Helpful Trucker YouTube channel, I want all of y'all to have a happy and prosperous new year. Maurice Bay, the Helpful Trucker here. For more helpful CDL tips, go here or consider subscribing to my YouTube channel right here. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but instead you chose to be here with me, and I really appreciate that.